Alright, so to get started, first go to mydropai.com. This is our website where you can see everything we can do. Calendar, client portal, that's a big one. Inbox, AI reports, basically everything. Like if you need any tool about social media, it is on Mydrop. And then we have integration on all these social media that you can check. Create your account and then you will arrive here. So this is the Mydrop homepage. Here you can have, if you scroll up, you start by having a quick preview of everything that's going on. What have been your latest chats with the AI, a recent bulk, post waiting for approval, or even some notes. Then on Mydrop you can see your account is on the top right here, top right corner. This is where you can manage your account and your settings. You can set up your name, email, WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number will be to receive some notifications about post approvals that can be sent on WhatsApp as well, which is very good. Change the password, change the language, or change the style of the app, whatever you like. On the left side, you have the workspace setting, because on Mydrop you can create unlimited workspace, and every workspace can be whatever you want. It can be a client, it can be a team, it can be anything, but it's just to really separate the work the way you want. And then in this place you can set up your workspace settings, change the name, picture, time zone. You can connect the custom domains. We will come back to that later. You can add some members here. You can add people as admin, publisher, creator, or just read. You can set up the notifications and you can see your subscription settings. So this is the home page. But now to get started on Mydrop, the first thing you will have to do will be to create a brand and connect some profiles.